Hey guys, RTT back here for that video, guys. Today we are talking about this bad boy right here, and no, it's not trying to hypnotize you. It is the Apple AirTag. Now, I did an unboxing of the AirTag about a week ago, and I also talked about the Belkin strap. Now, I want to give my thoughts and opinions of this bad boy a week later. So in this last week, I've used this very much. Mainly used it on my keys. I kept this, actually, I've now literally kept this every single day, just connected to my key ring. And the reason why is because I do go to work all the time and I leave my keys in my locker. And to be honest, it's kind of cool to be able to check my phone and see exactly where the item is at all times. Overall, I will say, practical use, it's somewhat very usable. I mean, I know there's a lot of other companies that did go ahead and implement the same kind of system as Apple, but this works flush with your actual Apple device. And again, if your item does go lost, all you have to do is go ahead on Android or Apple, scan this bad boy, and it will tell the person your phone number and your first and last name so they can contact you and get you your item back. Now, I don't know how many people actually return items if they find, like, let's say you have a bag with a MacBook and all this other stuff. I don't know if they're going to return it, but I mean, it is, if there's a nice person out there who's going to return an item, you can return an item with this bad boy right here. Now, I don't go crazy out to crazy places, okay? I go to work, I come home, right? I go to maybe the gym, I go work out, I come home. I'm not going to, like, and I actually did recently go to the beach, and I did use this at the beach. And I will say, at the beach on vacation, again, like I said, very nice. For vacation, I put this in my suitcase. Kept in my suitcase at all times. If I want to know what my suitcase was, it would tell me. It's one of those things where I say with the AirTags is it's not really that big of a deal. Like, it's only $30 at the end of the day. It's not that expensive. It's very cheap. It's very affordable. You can change the battery of this. It's one of those things where you just have it on you just in case. It's kind of like, in a way, it's like insurance. It's like insurance in case something goes wrong. You don't buy insurance because of something just went wrong. You have insurance because of you are ready if something does go wrong. And that's what I feel like this item really is. It's just an insurance policy. If you lose your bag, you lose your keys, you lose your wallet, guess what? This is attached to it, so you can have like a little tracking GPS device to figure out where that item is. Now, certain items that won't work with, I mean, you're not going to put this on your Apple Watch. I mean, you might. I've seen people say they track people like this. Now, you can't. Okay, let me put it like this, okay? They track people when it comes to, like, let's say you have a child, right? You put this, they have this with them connected to their phone and your phone, and then you're able to track them that way. Because if you put this device on somebody and try to track them, it will actually alert that person's phone of what's happening. So if, let's say you put this, I don't know, let's say I went to my friend's house, right? And I put this on, like, I put it in his pocket without him noticing, and he left, right? It will actually tell his iPhone, hey, you're being tracked. I like that. Kind of cool. Definitely kind of cool. But overall, like I said, it's nothing too special, the AirTags. Now, should you buy it? Let me put it like that. Because, again, I'm not trying to crap on them, but should you buy one? Honestly, I say yes. It's $30. It's very cheap and affordable. And the use you can get out of it, kind of like insurance, it works out in the end. I mean, if you're like, hey, I never go out with a bag or a purse or a book bag or anything like that, then simply, this is what I did. When I first got it, I put it in my wallet. Just slide in your wallet. I know you might think that's the stupidest thing ever. It's stupid until you get to your car and you check your pocket, and guess what? That wallet ain't there, man. And you know where it is? It probably fell while you were walking. Okay, so you're going to go back and retrack all your steps. Bad boy, bam. Check your phone. Okay, it looks like it's in the middle of the street. Go get it. Same thing with keys. Maybe you drop your keys. Have it on your key ring at all times. It's a simple process. You wake up, you gotta go to work, you're rushing, where my keys at? A lot of people lose their keys. Check your phone, you have it on your key ring at all times. It's simple, it's easy, and I kind of do like it for that reason. But overall, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Go check out the unboxing if you've not done so already. Me unboxing this. My initial review was kind of like, whoa, this is small, and I still think it's small, but I like the size of it with, you know, correlation to everything else. What I'm going to use it for. I'm going to use it for my keys. Well, I like the correlation to how small it is for my keys. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.